So I've got the INAIR Pod. I have a couple windows open down here, Netflix, Spotify, and I've installed the INAIR Space app on my Windows laptop up here, and it's in ultra wide mode, so I can make it very big, move it back so we can see everything. And I guess I can maximize, so I'm only looking at the PC. It's wild. This is really something. So you've got all kinds of options with the PC. As you can see that. Privacy screen, use PC cursor, single screen, I'm in ultra wide mode. And I'm in small mode, but I can make it even larger if I wanted to. So this is actually my 2013 MacBook running Windows 10 on a BOOTCAMP partition. And that fan is really running. So you need I think you need at least an NVIDIA 960. So I was able to get these apps open, but it's definitely laggy. So, older computers are going to struggle, but it is working. So that's cool.